Here I have fake Oppo R11s, and let me show you how to recognize that it's just an imitation, not an original model. So at the very beginning, let's check the IMEI number. At first, open your phone dialer, then enter a secret code, which is *##06#, and here this first number is your device's IMEI number. Now go to IMEI.info site and enter IMEI number to the following tab. Confirm that you are not a robot and tap on check. And here you can see that the device that you have is Q70, some kind of Q phone, so it's definitely not Oppo, not the model that you wanted to have. Let's go back to your home screen and let's use the second method. So now we will compare the model and the following physical device with the settings of the particular Oppo SL11s model. So at first open phone database and IMEI.info as well, and here enter Oppo's model, search. While it's searching, we will open the settings. Here scroll down to the very bottom of the list and we will pick about phone, and now you can see all information about this phone. We will compare it with the infos from the database. So it's Oppo R11s, read more. And for example, we can see that the Android should be Android 7.1, while this device has 6.0 version. So that's another sign that it's just an imitation. It's fake Oppo. We can also look at this physical model, and we can compare it with the photos from our gallery. So at first, Oppo should have its name on the back cover. Let's turn it around, and there is nothing written on it. So it's first difference. Then let's open the back cover and see that the fingerprint is just fake. It's not working, definitely not. It's just a bit of plastic here. We can also check it by going to the settings, and here under the security there is nothing mentioned about fingerprint. Let's go back, and the last method to check it is a very simple one. You just have to take a look at the box that your device was in. It should have IMEI number somewhere indicated, so there's no sticker around here. There's also no name indicated on the box, and that never happens. It's just written that it's Android. So that's another confirmation that the following device, this Q70 something, is not an Oppo R11s. It's just a fake imitation of the device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.